Hey, what's up everybody? It's Kevin and I'm back with another video, and today we're going to switch gears just a little bit because we are going to actually be fixing my camcorder. You can see here on this bottom plate, my ferret. Hold on. Pearl, say hello. This is my ferret. Her name is Pearl. She's going to help us do this today. Right? You're going to help us? All right. So anyway, you can see right here on the bottom of this, this is all busted up. This is where it hooks to the tripods or the plates which connect to the tripods. And this camera we've had for like 5 years now. It's great. It's the Sony AX-33. I'm pretty happy with it. Pearl, stop. Sorry. And so what happened is about a week and a half ago, this was sitting on a tripod, and my wife accidentally knocked over the tripod and it hit the ground. I mean, it hit the ground from about 5-6 foot up in the air, and the entire body of the camera was swollen and like it had popped apart. So I pushed it all back together. But this plate down here, we've been having issues with it. It's been starting to crack. So where these stress cracks are, that was starting to already happen, but because of the impact, it just literally busted it apart. So what we're gonna do today is, because I like to actually use this camera a lot when I'm shooting some of the videos, especially for the truck, is we're going to fix that. And so I ordered a new base plate, found it on eBay. So pretty simple, right? And then I'm also gonna need my little toolkit. Yeah, so we're gonna take this and this, put them together, and hopefully we have a new working part. So
gonna get a teeny tiny Phillips. There we go. We're gonna take all these apart. Pearl. Sorry everybody. Come on, Pearl. It's not for you. Sorry about that. Alright. Take out this base plate. Got 6 screws. Pop this battery out
first. There we go. Let's get rid of that. Okay, that comes right off. Everything in there looks intact. I'm just gonna tighten this. Ooh, that got bent. So maybe it looks like it's kind of swollen right there. You can see it doesn't want to go down all the way. So we definitely probably bent that bracket. That thing hit hard. And we're gonna pop that there. So I'm hoping this just gives it enough to hold it down. There's our last one. Oh, these are teeny tiny little screws. I mean, teeny. So you can see it's nice and nice now. There's a little bitty bump right there. That metal got bent just a little bit. So there we have it. So here's the old. I'm gonna keep this because I have my serial number for the Handycam, but yeah, you can see it's got some beat up spots. But all in all, this has been an amazing camera. Been super happy with it. And yeah, there we go. Installing a new base plate for your Sony AX-33. So there you have it. That is as simple as it gets. Literally 6 screws in the bottom of this to replace that. And like I said, that plate was already cracking before I actually dropped the camera. Well, my wife dropped it, but regardless, we dropped the camera. And it's held up. Everything else in the camera seems to be working fine. So super happy to get this replacement, get it back up on the stand now, and we'll be able to use it without any issues. All right, guys, if you liked the video, make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and most importantly, we'll see you in the next video.